How to download Trust Wallet on Android. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To install your Trust Wallet, you have to open up your Play Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Trust Wallet and give it a search. Tap on the suggested app, then select the install bubble. You will have to wait for a while because it will take a moment. Once it is installed, now you can just go ahead and select the option of Open. To set up your Trust Wallet, go ahead and tap on Get Started. If you already have a wallet, select Add Existing Wallet and log in to your account. If not, tap Create a New Wallet. Select Create Secret Phase or Create Swift. Either way, skip the backup for now. You will have to enter the PIN to log in to your code, so go ahead and set up a PIN. Also set up your biometric login. Once you are done, you are good to go and start using your Trust Wallet account. If you face any of the issue regarding the process, go ahead and follow this step. Open up your phone setting, scroll down, then tap on System Update. Make sure that your mobile device is up to date. It is to ensure that your mobile device can support the version of the application. And that is how you can easily install and set up your Trust Wallet. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.